Предайся своей жажде. Фанта. Попробуй потрясающий,
Why is this happening? I did forget how to stream, obviously. But we should be now live. And yeah, Haskell, I guess. This is like question of the day from 2 or 3 months ago. Yeah, this is old. But first thing before I actually start, I wanna do something about the overlay. Cause like, good morning. For me, it's like 3:10 p.m. In the morning, I was away from the city, from the town. But yeah, hi Twitch TD. Welcome in. See, I wanna do a timer to this. Just if we add one thing at the start of the stream to this overlay, it's gonna get done. So we have timer. Plus 10 hours. Yeah. Okay, so is it 3 AM for you? Wait, no, hold on. 5 AM. 5 AM for you. I mean, I would actually like to start a stream at 5 AM, but I mean, now I can't really because school, and before I couldn't because sun at 5 AM would just kill me. Or at least like at 7. Anyway. So let's create timer. Well, 7 AM. Yeah. Timer. Let's start timer. Steam 3 timer. Failed to subtract. No, you're right. Where are you? Plus 8. Huh? Wait, plus 8 is plus 8 is 8 AM, no? Wait, plus 8 from me is like 11 PM. Anyway, timer. Wait. Timer. UTC minus 5. I'm UTC plus 3. So it is 8 hours. I am plus 8. Timer label. Oh wait, it is not camel case. Okay, I thought I'm doing C++. What? So I did camel case for some reason. Timer game. Now in process we're gonna set times hard. And probably, maybe. So here you can set timer, label, text. Any format. Do format timer time. Okay, I don't like doing this manually. Why isn't there a function for that? Okay. So let's do. It is Linux. It is oh my ZSH wants to upgrade. Okay, let me fast fetch, not fast boot. Fast fetch. This is Linux. This is NixOS. And it's erroring about shared objects because yeah, I wanna try a different library for Twitch for Godot, but it's missing some DLLs. Oh wait, what's wrong with me? It's missing some shared objects, and I mean it's not yet the time for me to do that. Okay, anyway, let's do rmrf. Wait, dot omzsh custom omz update cd dot files 5.74. Yes, this laptop is I mean, you can see. I can't even rebuild Nix at the same time as I'm streaming. Guess what do I need to do here? Dot bot -c install config YAML. Now exit. Now it should be it. Yeah. Okay, so timer. Can't really say that it was easy to do. Okay, time left. What is this? Float in seconds, I guess. In seconds, yes, I need to manually format it. Thank you, Godot, for not providing a function for that. I actually like don't understand why would you not provide a function to format time. So useful. So percentage O2D for hours. Well, we don't have hours, so this is for minutes, and then percentage O2.2F. Yeah, but it should be included by default. I really think so. Divided by 60 and int z. Okay. And then I'm just gonna int set and do division reminder. 60. Then this will be just the same. GD script, yeah. Godot's own language. Okay, so now if I run it, I should be able to do. Okay, it's trying to log in. Let's wait for that. It crashed. Okay, what's wrong? On an object. What? Huh? That's interesting. Oh wait, it should be in process. I'm so dumb. Okay. And there's obviously procedural positioning. I don't really understand those controls yet. Not quite so good. And oh my god, what is that? Excuse me, what is that? But yeah, I guess. Let's fix it, I guess. Make it bigger. There should be like fit content, okay. And probably want to make it bigger. A steam over. I mean, I can make it bigger manually. Oh, also I need to center it. Font sizes. Normal font. Something like that. Also, I should probably move it lower. How do I center it? How do I center a div in here? Okay, you have developer jokes. How do I center this thing? I guess this is the pivot point. I don't know. Can I like just try to snap it in here? Will it center itself? I guess no. Okay, let's restart. Twitcher, yeah. It's not piping data into OBS, which I am using OBS. It is on my screen, so I can actually just do this. I can manipulate plushes. I can see how I play basketball and stuff. And the main thing why I did this is did sound work? Hold on. Oh, it did. So the main thing why I did it. Oh, that's why I can't hear anything. Oh my god. Is I have a single monitor, my laptop's monitor, and so I have chat in here, so I can at least see the chat. And I mean, I'm using a Twitch app to see the chat, but here it is actually easier. Anyway, we need to make this. Yeah, you can control plushes if you create them. And I see you confirmed to share your ID. Yeah, you can control them. So we need to somehow center the timer. I don't know if... Morley died. I mean, it's not. It didn't die. It just time ended. That's weird. I see you. I see your clicks. And ID seems seems right. So you did grant the permissions. Like just in case in case it just doesn't work, you can use move 2 from 0 to 1 x and from 0 to 1 y, or you can do add force, vector of force. So you do 1 1 to go this way. So the vector of force is constrained, so its velocity can't be greater than 5. No, not velocity, like force can't be greater than 5, so you can do like 5 0 and it will be maximum. So 6 0 is the same. It's not typing the events. I wonder why it doesn't work. Like, some people hate Twitch extensions. That's why, Twitch, my stream, let me open it as Chattery. Should work, honestly. Okay, and now... Okay, it works for me, huh? There's no list. There is like 120 of them. You can find this on GitHub, but I mean, there are a lot of programming languages, graphical environments. You can type stuff, like you can type plushy and type some random words in here, and it will try to pick up. So you can do like even if substring matches. Even Nigel got this joke. Sure. So yeah, Nigel made this joke. So it removes all the spaces and it searches for longest match, basically. GitHub.com. Chattery. This is it. Now let's manually check. Could have typed it in a browser initially. So yeah, here it is. Basically, GitHub repository. I don't know, controlling plushes should work. Works for Chattery, and Chattery has also granted permissions, so the ID is a normal name and a normal number. Okay, so styles and stuff. Oh wait, styles. Can I center it in here? Constants, text, highlight. I saw it text aligned. I thought. Okay, let's try making it centered. And also, let's Chattery is just my overlay in Godot. That's it. What did I want to change in here? Oh, transform. Oh, there's no transform. Okay. Like, what's this? Oh, this is the origin point. Can I move it? Oh, this is the snap. That's cool. Can I move the origin point? I wanna move the origin point. Encore. Should be active. Probably. Ooh, center. Can I set it? And I guess I can't really. Control layout. Oh, top left. Center top, probably even. Okay. So now can I make it smaller a little? Please. Oh, it doesn't allow me to resize. Sure. Okay, so I wanted to then change the script. I mean, do I really need to change the script? It's gonna scale accordingly, so it should be centered. Okay. It's not centered. Come on, I can feel that it's not centered. This is the center line, and this thing is centered properly. Because Nico worked on it from the KDE community. Can I set outline? There is outline size. 10. Okay, that's better, and I really need to center it. Okay, so where is it? Center. Okay. This doesn't quite look like center. Let's try this again. Yes, it doesn't quite look like the center. I mean, maybe chord. I think that's because chord is like transformed weirdly. But when I create chord, world add chord, oh, I can change the type to control. And then I might be able to center it. This node is a child of a regular control, anchor center top, so I don't need to add manual positioning in here. Okay. Oh, yeah, make this inherit from control. Restart. Polonium. I think you did it a little too early. I didn't quite start the overlay yet. Here. Is it? Come on, what is that? Okay, so now at least now it is kinda centered. What happens if we remove the center attribute in here? A percentage. It disappears completely. Great. Okay, so for some reason it's on top left still. Full rect. Huh? Top left. Top right. Where is it? Center top. Ooh. You can see it here barely. Okay, let's see remote. Chord. Okay, so this should be. Oh wait, anchors preset full rect. Huh? Oh, it braked. It broke. Internal script error. Oh, yeah, that's usual. Pretty usual, unfortunately. I don't know why. I think I'm using a stable version. Should theoretically report it. No, easy. Okay, now. Still, it is still like a single line in here for some reason. I don't understand why. Wait, I'm changing the chord when I should be changing the timer. Okay, so I can set a minimum width. Have fit content though. Yeah, have fit content. Let's do 800. Then for some reason it's center top. Doesn't work. Top left. Why top left is to the right of center top? What? Top right. It's flipped. Hold on, excuse me. What? Okay, now. I mean, disappeared because of this thing. Center top, top left, 800. Because of that. Because I've seen a lot of people recently used Godot engine. I mean, like, yeah, I saw a lot of people using Godot, and so I said I should try it. I've tried it, and I mean, my overlay was written in Rust before. I started with Rust and Speedy2D, then I tried Rust and Ging, and now I'm in Godot because, I mean, my overlay has soft body physics. I kinda need a game engine for that. Well, not really. And I don't really like game engines, honestly. But yeah, I kinda like Godot. A lot of people advertise it. I guess that's why. Why is it so weird? Why is it so broken? Let's restart. So the changes propagate. Okay, so now this is top left. Where is it? Top left. Center top. Center top is to the left of top left. Why? Yeah, and then you're gonna use it for your overlay. Whatever. And that's how it happened to me. Okay, so for some reason center is in here. Yeah, I actually don't understand why. Top. So I need center top. Anchors position. Okay, so let's see. Let's set anchors back. Center top. Okay, and size is 800 horizontally. Position. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so localization tooltip, focus mouse input. Okay, so I guess the problem is with chord. Where am I? I am adding it to the world, so it should be fine. Oh wait, canvas layer. Maybe I should be adding. Maybe I should be making this a canvas layer. Change type to canvas. Oh, okay. Canvas layer. Polonium. Turns out polonium is dangerous. Didn't know that. Okay, so this is still wrong. This is still terribly off. If we restart and canvas layer. Let's restart again. Yeah, such a long such a long one. Okay, maybe I should keep it as node 2D, change type to node 2D, and then add a control layer. Oh wait, a layer, canvas layer to it, and put timer into it. Maybe like that. Well, this doesn't really need to be a node 2D, this can be just a node, honestly. Change type, node. Well, it can't be node, because I need to get size. Haskell interesting, so I need to... No need, let's see. Yes, I skipped a few messages. I don't know why it's not working. Can you try actually typing the command? The commands in layer worm timer. Maybe I should fill. Oh, center top. Okay, so if I create a new node in here, control, and put in timer into it, and then create my control layout. Okay, so we're almost done with today's feature. I just need to change this to full rect, and this to center top. I mean, it is center top, but still. Okay, and now focus on the wrong thing. Oh my god, it's still off center, why? Okay, hold on. That's actually wrong. That's like actually cooked. Why? Center top. It is center top. What do you mean? Maybe I don't need control in here actually. Maybe I should leave this as full fill. Top white and remove that. I mean it works. Okay, so now we can, and yeah, you can see 2 timers in here. Let's quickly also add a fix for that, and we can go back to Haskell. Okay. And let's note path chord. Let's just do remove child. Get node chord. Remove child old. Okay, that's just a quick fix for there being too many chords at the same time. What are you even using the timer for? Dupe timer? It's not the dupe timer, it's actually like multiple of those. Okay, now there are not 2 of them. So it's like actually duped baskets and everything. And the timer is just to alarm when there is not how much time there is left. So you can control plushes, you can find with me. This was the idea. So like I can try to score as many as possible into right, and you can into left, for example. I normally don't go left because of that. Basket flashing game. I should actually call it that. I actually have a redeem for basketball. Oh, that's heavy. It can actually be hard, especially with like, and it can be buggy, especially with like heavy plushes. Okay, it's done. Yeah, that's our improvement for today. Now it's here, so I should probably. You can just type bank plushie to get a random one. Commit the shim. Timer. That's me. And there are also pick command from a group, for example, streamers. I'm a streamer. Fifth function, more fifth function, Drone Caro, QVman, MetaMe, Programmer Jeff, Alan, me again, and Devninia. More. Okay, I'm spamming chat too much, and this thing likes too much already. And there's also Orco command. You might know what it does, might not. You can go to GitHub if you wanna know. I'm not gonna explain it right now. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, I need 8 gigs of memory instead of 6. I mean, it's running pretty well with this amount of plushes, except that problem is if someone rates who I have a plushie of a streamer for, they start falling from the sky, and then it starts lagging. Yeah. So I guess go to wait. We need to really go to somewhere. Haskell. Do I have anything here? Nope. Next run GHC. Okay. Get the Haskell environment. Denial of service by a flashy rate. Yeah, I mean, like with timeouts, you can have up to 3 plushes at the same time. Considering how long timeouts are. One account can have up to 3 plushes at the same time. And yeah, if you take a look at channel points, by the way, should probably check the goal also. So I wonder if maybe it was contributed to. See, if you check this, yeah, 10% of a goal. So I gave you an ability to control plushes. By you, I mean chat. Now, I mean, you can probably guess what it is. What that means. We're at 8k and 26 days left, guys. This might not happen. Okay. Oh wait, run. I need shell. Why am I doing run? GCS GHCI. That's clear. Okay, so links I received from last stream, I guess this one, and this one in order. Okay, so what's this? Separate function bodies for different pattern. This leads to really neat code that's simple and readable. Yeah, I wouldn't say that Haskell is simple and readable. You can pattern match on any data type, numbers, characters, lists, tuples, etc. Trivial function that checks if number we supplied to it is 7 or not. From top to bottom, and when it conforms to a pattern, the corresponding function body will be used. The only way to number can conform to the first pattern here if it's 7. Not falls through to the second pattern. Makes sense. We wanted to function a number 4, 5, 6. This is numbers 1 to 5 and say not between what? What? Note that if we remove the last pattern, the catch all one. No wait, move it to the top. What happens if we remove it altogether? Is it gonna say like invalid argument? Let's check. Fn as a function, you need to remember how it works. How do I signify that function doesn't return anything? Yeah, let's say string. Empty brackets. Empty parentheses. So yeah, a unit, like in Rust. What is it? What? A variable not in scope. What am I doing wrong? I don't remember. Maybe fan is reserved. Nope. Okay, let's see. I set a create so create a typed function signature basically. See print. A returns IO monad. So what am I doing wrong? REPL doesn't allow doing that? What? Okay, let's try. I'm doing the function. I don't need multiline in here. Returns IO monad. Fn. Yes, but I mean, right now I just needed single lines. That's why. So fn of 1 will yield print something str. Oh, it put it puts strlen. That's what I need to do. 1, and so we do catch all print x. Oh, I decided to save it, but nope. Why do I have quick sort in here? Fn of 1, or actually let's do fn of 1 and fn of 2. For EQA arising from literal 1, what? Oh wait, fn. Oh, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? For EQA, am I like, do I like need to rub St. Francis? I don't think so. I don't think that's why. Yeah, obviously. Do I really need a type class constraint? Oh wait, here? I mean, I don't need it here, but why do I need it in here? Show AAIO. Oh. Hijacks. Was not going to stream today, honestly. But just so happened that I am here, so I can stream. It's still kinda, it's still angry at me for fn of 1. In the pattern 1. In an equation for fn. Integral. What is integral? Like a base type, ints, floats, bools. Still wrong. Oh wait, I do need show. I still need show. Can I add both integral and show? Lots of work. Let's add a show A to the context of the type signature for this. Can I do integral A, show A? No. Okay, maybe I can do this like that. Comma. Constraint constraint, but A has kind of constraint. Huh? Oh. Okay, I wasn't far. Okay, it works. Why do we need integral though? Okay, so what if we remove this branch? What happens? There's the organization. It's gonna crash. Non-exhaustive patterns. Okay, so is this a crash or is this a compile timer? I guess it's a crash. It requires a key. Oh my god. Is a stronger constraint. Okay, so is this compile time or runtime? I guess runtime. Yes, this was runtime, at least because it outputted 1. So you think technically I could just, yeah, I guess I could. It's a warning. Oh wait, so it didn't do anything because it didn't match pattern. Wow. Okay. It says errors. Good question what it is. Okay, so what's up here? keep streaming. When you call lucky, yeah. Read that to make a pretty clear the first 3. Yeah. Recently define a factorial of number n as product. The factorial function cursively. It's usually defined in mathematics. Yeah. Cursively recursion is important, yeah. Okay. Why? Didn't I answer this question like in the last stream? I wanna know a functional language. Because out of functional languages before Haskell I knew Nix only. Nix. The one and only Nix. Used to configure my system. And I was writing a compiler. And so yeah. So I was writing a compiler and then I got sidetracked making a book. Well, kind of a book. Well, not a book, kind of a blog post. Here it is. And so out of here, I got sidetracked on learning Haskell because functional features that might be missing from the list, I will put into the thing. I should also, by the way, quickly get here and index. I should probably link GitHub of the page itself. Hub. You don't need. Okay. Yeah. Like. I mean, sure. I'm just breaking down features. I'm not saying I'm gonna be using OOP. It also has traits, or will have traits. Yeah, it might not have traits because I don't know why would I put traits in here. They're more of a compile time feature. But it will have a lot of functional features, and I mean, composition is also a thing. Which, I mean, it's just a pattern, it's not like a language feature. Anyway, we didn't expect to see what happens. Oh, an exception. Okay, it actually did explain it. No, just patterns and rightfully so. Yeah, I mean, it is hard to implement beautifully, and I'm questioning if it is even possible. Because right now it looks not bad, but then you go into other features, and it's like, I mean, how would you implement this in C? Team management tool. What do you mean by team management tool? Like Jira? I don't know what Jira is, honestly. Or Trello. Oh, welcome in, Nigel. Finally. Finally. A first redeem. Come on, guys. I've been streaming for like what? 40 minutes. And first hasn't been redeemed. There's also second and third. So yeah, I've decided to stream today. It completes. See team. Oh wait, GitHub has projects and I think teams, but I don't know what this is really. Yeah. Can also be used on tuples. 6 2 vectors into this space. They're in form of pairs and add them together. To add together two vectors, we add their x components separately and their y components separately. Yeah, here's how we do that. Can we define an operator's hyphis function? Learning Haskell, as you can see, or trying to at least, because I need knowledge of functional languages. But yeah. Can I do the same with operators? Okay, so can I change this to an operator somehow? Vectors. Okay, so can I can do this, I think. Is it gonna work? Okay, this. Now I can move this thing in here. Okay, can I change this to a plus operator? I don't know. I wanna try this. Parser on input plus. Wait, I don't remember how it was done. Ambiguous occurrence on plus. Either prelude plus or main plus. Okay. Does Haskell define plus for two? Oh wait, I don't have. Hold on, I don't have where do I put? Can I put this where clause here? Wait, I can do integral to top add import qualified prelude and next line import prelude hiding. No, I want to keep plus. Can I keep plus? Like plus from prelude. A, same thing for B. Like, I guess they're colliding. Can I make them not collide? Parser, B should like. You gonna. I mean, I said, can I have them not collide? If it's ambiguous, I guess it has to collide. I mean, they collide. Can I do something like this? Like add a letter? I guess not really. Yeah, I mean, why can't I overload operators then? Byjax. Extends D, exact pairs. But what about triples? Can make our own. That break is going to come. Was paying for ads on Twitch to market this. Okay, so there we go, much better. There's already a control pattern. Yeah. First and second and third. Yeah, underscores. Yeah, you can also pattern match lists in list comprehensions. Well, the ad is only like 3 minutes at most. pattern match failed. We'll just move to the next one. Pattern matching. Match an empty list or any pattern that involves clone and empty list. Since for oh. Okay. Let's make a trivial function that tells us some of the first elements of the list in inconvenient English form. Okay. Say because takes care of the empty list, single list, etc. Like matching and recursion. Similar. Find result. Yeah. I mean, I got it. Get to something more interesting. What's all it called? S patterns. Also a thing called. Why is this? Wait. Those are a handy way of breaking something up according to a pattern. It has started. You do that by putting a name and an add in front of a pattern. For instance, the pattern access at xyys pattern match exactly the same thing as xyys. If we get the whole list of y-axis. Oh. Yeah, like in Nix, but in Nix it goes after. And we're watching it. Explain. Whereas patterns are a way of making sure a value conforms to the safe form, and reconstructing guards are a way of testing whether some property of a value, some of them are true or false. Sounds like a lot of if statements, very similar. Huh? Cards are a lot more readable when you have several conditions and they play really nicely with patterns. Okay, so this is like match. So let's just dive and make a function using guards. I'm going to make simple functions that berates. What is this word? Depending on your body mass and you need to divide by your height squared. If I'm less than 18.5, you're considered underweight. Normal 130 is obese. Why are there two overweights but one underweight? It tells you off. Be my tail. BMI less than or equal to 18. 13. That is done. Okay, so while that was going, we read about guards. Wait, not guards. This thing. Something at pattern means everything in this pattern is going also to this variable. Okay. And then also guards. I don't really understand them. I guess that's like a match state or a switch statement. Otherwise, is otherwise a catch-all or is it just a keyword? Indicated by pipes that follow function's name and its parameters. Bit. Okay. Pipes that follow a function's name and its parameters. Let's see if I'm fat. You're supposedly normal. Okay. There's no equals, right, to the function name and its parameters before the first card. Many new bytes get indexer because they sometimes put it here. Another very simple example. Let's implement our own max function. Because the things and compare them. Yeah, sure. Guards can also be written in line as advice against because it's less readable. Even for very short functions. Not very readable at all. Let's implement our own compare by using guards. Okay, so I guess otherwise is a keyword. How can I use patterns though? Certain things with backticks. Not only can we call functions as infix with backticks, so find them using backticks. So it's easier to read this way. What? Oh, right. Oh, really? Where? This section defined by my calculator. Function and berator. Whatever. A real float. We repeat ourselves here 3 times. Notice that we repeat ourselves here 3 times. We repeat ourselves here, there, 3. We repeat ourselves. Wait. Notice that we repeat ourselves here 3 times. We repeat ourselves 3 times. Repeating yourself 3 times while programming is about as desirable as getting kicked in the head. What? That's hard to read. Since we repeat the same expression 3 times. That was 4th time, come on. It would be ideal if we could calculate it once, bind name, and then use the name of the instead of the expression. Okay, so can we... Where clause? Okay, here we go. So this is like a switch case, but it has to be like in the... What? We put the keyword where after the cards. You do this best intent. Write several names or functions. These names are visible across the guards and give us the advantage of not having to repeat ourselves. Side one calculate BMI a bit differently when I have to change it once. Also improves readability by giving names to things that can make our program faster, since stuff like a BMI variable here is calculated only once. And go a bit overboard. So we just make new lines in here. section yeah. So we don't have to worry about them polluting the namespace. This is actually nice. Right, at a single column, the nice and proper Haskell gets confused because then doesn't know they're all part of the same block. Where bindings aren't shared across function bodies of different patterns. And several patterns of one function to access shared name. Define global. Wait, what? Oh, it of different patterns. Use where bindings to pattern match. Ooh, wow. What? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, makes sense. Into the section. Let's make another file retriever function where I get first and last name and give someone back their initials. String, string, string. First name, last name, which turns first F and L. Oh, dots, yeah. We could have used dots, I mean colons in here to concatenate this. Really. Oh, there's a space in here. Yeah, we could have also made it an array, I guess. It's unclear actually. This just goes to show what's possible. Yeah. Sequence defined functions. Center has a programming theme. Let's make a function that takes a list of weight, height pairs and returns a list of BMIs. Why? Oh, that's okay. It says we had to introduce BMI as a function. You have to examine the list first. Pair in there. Had to use BMI as a function because we can't just calculate on BMI from functions parameters. Have to examine the list passed to function and there's different BMI for every pair. Yeah, why can't we just plug in this formula into this part? Can we? Single can. Very similar to where bindings are let bindings. Where bindings are a syntactic construct that lets you bind a variable at the end of a function. A function can see them, including all the guards. Oops. Yeah. Let bindings let bind variables anywhere and are expressions themselves, but they're very local. That's fine across guards. Just like any construct in Haskell that is used to bind values to names, let bindings can also be used for pattern matching. Let's see them in action. This is how we could define a function that gives us a cylinder surface area based on its height and radius. Okay. Let's side area. Top area. Side area. Oh. The form is let. Okay, so this is basically variables in normal languages. Welcome back to HTD. When let patterns are accessible to the expression after the in part. Yeah, like in Nix basically. Yeah, I mean, I get it. Oh, create functions. With several variables inline, I obviously can't line them. Separate them with semicolons. Oh my god, this becomes a normal programming language. Well, not really. Semicolon after the last binding, but you can if you want. Pattern match with the lead bindings are useful for quickly dismantling a tuple into components and binding them to names and such. You can also put lead bindings inside list comprehensions. Much like a predicate only. It doesn't filter the list, only binds to names. I mean, okay, so this is actually a separate part. Okay, sorry, in the microphone here. Okay, so we can't use the BI prior to let binding. The access part, yeah. Yeah. The in part can also be omitted when defining functions and constant directly in GHCI. What? Oh. The names will be visible through the entire interactive session. I mean, what's the point of it? If you can just set it. In pattern matching, I guess. Wait, can you pattern match in it? Yes, you can. Case expressions. Okay, so now we're getting to switch case, right? Yeah, this is basically just pattern matching. C, C++, Java, etc. Taking a variable and then executing blocks of code for specific values with that variable, and then maybe including a catch-all block code. Some value for which we can set up a case. Yeah. Nice. Case expressions are well expressions, much like if-else expressions and let bindings. Can evaluate expressions based on possible cases of the value. We can also do pattern matching. Taking a variable, pattern matching it, evaluating pieces of code based on its value. Where have we heard this before? Yeah, pattern matching is very interesting functions. Should I just syntactic trigger for case expression? Obviously. Let's use this interchangeable. Syntax for case expressions is pretty simple. Yeah. Expressions matched against patterns matching along Wait, the pattern matching action is the same as expected. The first pattern that matches the expressions used. If it falls through the whole case expression, small pattern found and timer occurs. Whereas pattern matching on function parameters can only be done when defining functions. Case expressions can be pretty much anywhere. Oh yeah. Useful pattern. Because pattern matching in function definition is syntactic sugar for case expressions. Okay. So wanted to, yeah. So there was. Otherwise, in the bar thingy. Yeah, so this is like also something. This is like if else chain. Syntax for no reason. Chapters. I really need like some challenges because I'm just reading. It doesn't play well. Significant Haskell types and type classes. And sure to learn how to make your own and how to put them to work. Algebraic data types. Only to use data keyword to define a type. Oh really? That's why bool was a data thingy. Finding a new data type. Or before the equal denotes a type, which is bool. Starts after a value constructions. Yeah. The bool type can have value of true or false. Was the type name and value constructor having capital cased? Type is being defined like, oh my god. The ellipses are here because we omitted a heap load of numbers. So just for illustrative purposes. Now let's think about how we would represent a shape in Haskell. Oh, so this is like... so this is Rust enums. No. One way would be to use tuples. Can we name those fields? No, these fields I actually mean parameters. Actually functions that ultimately return a value of a data type. Circle, rectangle. Who would have thought? Shape, surface. Wait, why is circle having so much fields? Oh, coordinates. Absolute. Okay. The first notable thing here is type declaration. Yeah. Does this mean that we can pattern match functions like that? I guess not really. Well, only like... I mean, regular functions. Yeah. Because Haskell doesn't know how to display... Okay, so now we're getting to traits. Deriving show. This is the part that has been added. You can modify it like this. So it's deriving too much for now. Let's just say that if we add deriving show at the end of the data declaration, Haskell automatically makes the type part of show type class. Makes that type part of show type class. So now we can just show it. So our functions, so we can map them and partially apply them and everything. If you want a list of concentric circles with different radii. Map circle 1020. Type is good, although it could be better. Intermediate data type that defines a point in two-dimensional space. Sure. And point, we use same name for the type and value constructor. Yeah, I guess. And, where was it? I scrolled past for a bit too far. One value constructor. Yeah. So now the circle has two fields. One is of type point and the other is of type float. That make it easier to understand what's what. Same goes for rectangle. We have to adjust our surface function. Reflects the changes. Yeah, sure. Patterns. We disregard it as a whole point in the circle pattern. Yeah. Patterns. Yeah. The only thing we have to change. Wait. How about the functions that not just what does this mean? Shape the amount to move it on x-axis and the amount of movement. Turns new shape has the same dimensions, only located somewhere else. Okay. Okay. So points. To deal directly with points, we can make some auxiliary functions that create shapes of some size at 0 coordinates and then nudge those. Course export data types in your modules. Then add some parentheses and then add some parentheses and specify the value constructors that you want to export for it, separated by commas. What? Types we defined here in the module, we could start it off like this. Module shapes, point shape, surface, nudge, base circle, base rect, where? Okay. Yeah. So open to export any value constructor for shape by just treating shape in the export statement. Economic shape by using the auxiliary functions base circle and base rect. Data map uses that approach. You can't create a map in doing map because it doesn't export the value constructor and some of the auxiliary functions. Value constructors are just functions, yeah. And expressing the value constructors of data types make them more abstract in such a way that to hide their implementation. Also, however, users or model can't pattern much against the value constructors, which is sad. Record syntax. We've been tasked with creating a data type that describes a person. The info we want to store about the person is first name, last name, age, height, phone number, and favorite ice cream flavor. Why? Don't know about you, but that's all I ever want to know about the person. Give it a go. Yeah, that's about what I would do, but yeah, we need a name. We need names for fields. Create function that gets separate info from a person. So person's name, a function that can, yeah. Ooh, this reminds me of Java and Python's data classes. Everything that works. There must be a better way. You say, well, no, there isn't. Sorry, what? Oh my god. I was kidding. There is. The makers of Haskell were very smart and anticipated this scenario. An alternative way to write data types. Here's how we could achieve the above functionality with record syntax. Data person. Okay, so we do the same thing, but instead we do parentheses, and then we do function. Instead of just naming the field types one after another and separating them with space, we use curly brackets. First, we write the name of the field for instance first name, and then we write a double colon also called whatever this is. Also called Pyamanium. Oh my god, I can't read this. Nicodotimum. And then we specify the type. It's functions that look up fields in the data type. It automatically makes functions. Okay, so there's another benefit to using record syntax. When we derive show for it, it displays it differently if we use record syntax. To define and instantiate the type. So we have a type that represents a car. Model name, etc. We can make a new car like that. Oh wow, I can instantiate it using equal signs. In a car we don't necessarily have to put fields in the proper order, so we list them all. What if we don't use record syntax? We have to specify them in order. Okay, so we can use record syntax and not use it. That's kinda nice. Syntax when a constructor has several fields and it's not obvious. Switch. Consider the vector data type by doing vector. Since it's pretty obvious, fields are components of a vector. And yeah. Type parameters. Oh, I scrolled so far. Oh my god. Maybe a value constructor can take some values parameters and then produce a new value. What? Three values and produces a car value. Similar manner, type constructors can take types as parameters. So limit to meta first. That's complicated. First, templates in C++, here see some parallels. So generics. Okay, so we can define a data type with arguments, with type parameters. The A here is a type parameter. There's type parameter involved. We call maybe a type constructor. So that type holds when it's not nesting. So predicting a type of maybe int, maybe char, maybe string, etc. Just maybe because not a type per se, it's type constructor. Part of it has to have all its type parameters filled up. Type parameters to maybe we get a type of maybe char. As value just A has a type of maybe char, for example. You might not know it, but we used a type that has a type parameter before. We use maybe. This type is the least type. Oh yeah. It's actually syntactic sugar, yay. So it's list is bro and cons or whatever. All that. Change this to oh. Probably no, because defining functions only works on the car string int type. Nice little text. Okay. Wait, why it doesn't even have shows on it? Or does derived show imply that those type parameters have show? Or does tell char function imply that those type parameters have shows? Cute. Car was car ABC. Oh wait. If car was car ABC, the car show A. String A string. Car of type show A. Yeah. Drive we'd end up using car string. So it seems that parameterizing car isn't really worth it. We usually use type parameters when the type has types that's contained inside the data type's various value constructors isn't really important for the type to work. List of stuff and the list of a list of stuff is a list of stuff and doesn't matter what the type of the stuff. Oh my god, for some reason I can't really read it. It's so hard for me to read. That's an example of parameterizing a map. Where the parameters are very useful. Having map parameterized enables us to have mappings from any type to any other type, as long as the type of the key is part of the OR type class. If we were defining a mapping tree, a mapping type, we could add a type class constraint in the data declaration. Data OR key, map key v, yeah. from convention Haskell to never add type class constraints in data declarations. Providing more class constraints in when we don't need them. You constraint our data declaration from have to put constraint functions that assume remove can be ordered. To put hold on, roll back in it. Because we don't benefit creating more class constraints if we don't need them. If we put or don't put the OR key constraint and data type declaration from up, we're going to have to put constraint in functions that assume the keys in web can be ordered. Oh wait, yeah, right, really? Constraint and data declaration, we don't have to put OR key in the type declaration function. Yes, can we not to list. Yeah. So don't put type constraints into data declarations even if seems fine. Seems to make sense. You have to put them into a function type declarations either way. Let's implement. Yeah. Oh my god. Let's implement a 3D vector type and add some operations for it. We'll be using parameterized type because it will usually contain numeric types with to support several of them. Yeah, I would actually write numt into a vector itself, honestly. V plus vecmult. Oh yeah. Scalar mult. Vector tt. Yeah. Vector together, two vectors. Yeah, I mean we can skip this paragraph, I guess. What was that much? So now, yeah. It's very important to distinguish between type constructor and value constructor. Before equals to the type constructor and the constructor after it, possibly separated by bars, are value constructors. Given a function of type, given function type of vector triple T arrow, T would be wrong because we have to put types in type declaration. What? Oh yeah, right. Directives. Oh my god, why is it so much longer? I'm kinda tired. Direct instances. In the type class 101 section, we explained the basics of type class. Did I just miss this section altogether? I mean, I guess I did. Okay, we'll read this again. Well, it's not that long. Types and type classes. Yeah, we didn't even read this. Okay. I mean, doesn't really have much stuff. Type variables. Type classes 101. EQA. Yes, that's something interesting. We see a new thing here, the arrow symbol. Before the arrow symbol is called a class constraint. Can read the previous type declaration like this. Equality function takes two values that are of the same type and returns a bool. The type of those two values must be a member of the EQ class. So what's the class constraint? Sure. There isn't really much info. What is this? Yeah, those are ranges. So you can have, what is that? Mean bounds functions are interesting because they have type of bounded A to A. In a sense, they're polymorphic constants. Also part of... Okay. Whole numbers are also constants. Okay, anyway. Yeah, I guess back to this. And we'll also have to read this, which is also very long. That's a lot of reading without any practicing. Explain that the type class is sort of an interface that defines some behavior. A type can be made an instance of a type class which supports the behavior. Yeah, like traits. Q-type class defines the behavior for stuff that can be equated. Into the part of a Q-type class. Class calls with the functions that act as the interface for the EQ. Q-type class can use functions. They're often confused with classes in languages. It also mentions that they're often confused with classes in languages and the like, which then baffles a lot of people. Those languages classes are a blueprint. Oh my god, I can't talk and I can't read. Type classes are more like interfaces, or even more like traits. Hold on. If abstract classes are, if type classes are traits, which are interfaces, which are abstract classes, which are classes. Should have used double equals in here. Does this mean you can just remove the inner part and say type classes are just classes? Okay. Anyway. I'll take a look at how we can manually make our types instead of type classes by implementing the functions defined by type classes. But for right now, let's see how Haskell can automatically make our type an instance of any following following type classes. A Q or the unbounded, so read Haskell can derive the behavior of our types in this context if we use the deriving keyword when making our data type. Person assumes that no two people have the same combination of first name, last name, and age. Now we have a record for two people. It does make sense to see if they represent the same person. Obviously, when we derive the Q instance of a type, Haskell will see if the value constructors match. There's only one value constructor here. Yeah. One case to type of some. Yeah, they have to implement the Q. Okay. This person is now in EQ. We can use it as a for all functions. Use it as the A for all. What? Since that is now in a queue, we can. So for all functions happens just LM. Yeah. Bestie boys. It's running type cluster for things that's gonna convert it to or from things respectively. Like with a queue, if a type's constructors have fields. It's really hard for me to read for some reason today. And also no practicing really. Which is a problem. Because I'm reading a lot and I'm trying to remember that, but I'm not doing anything with that. Not getting any practical, well, not practical examples. Yeah, I'm not writing any code, I'm just reading text. I'm halfway through this long page. Running type class are for things that can be converted to or from strings respectively. Okay. Structure have fields, their type has to be part of show or read. Yeah. What is read? How can I read it from the terminal? Show, yeah. It is pretty much inverse type class of show. Yeah. Read person first name. Okay, so read text colon person. So colon is used for generics and it's put at the end of a function call. Or is it just as an S? Can be just used as an S. I mean, I guess the same thing. Overread. Turn away Haskell can infer. Random question: is addition unsigned integers only the simplest useful operation function you can think of? Read like serialization. It's like deserialization actually. Addition assigned integers only the simplest useful operation. Not really. I can say bitwise inversion. So like in normal languages, this is to me the simplest. Or negation is too complex. This is more simple. And addition is complex. This is simpler. I mean, for our brains, addition is simpler. Bitwise not is also more complex for our brains if we think in decimals. But I think this is bitwise inversion is simpler. Comparisons are also probably to me. Well, no, I don't know. Comparisons are about as hard as addition, as complex as addition. For computers, comparisons are probably. Boolean negation is even easier. Yeah, Boolean negation is just. Yeah, Boolean negation is like the simplest one I can think of. I was talking about bitwise negation, but Boolean is even easier. Yeah. Is this how Boolean negation defined in Haskell? To print a person out into the terminal. Yeah, we can show it and parse it again. Look it up on Google. I wish I could look it up in REPL. I guess no. Google. Come on, I can't type. I just search for this. Array in. Oh my god, what? Google command. Okay, can I just do that? IXI. My screen. What? It is updating. What? It seems to be updating. What do you mean it's not updating? I'm not. I've switched to OBS, and OBS shows I'm on OBS. Okay, let me open. Okay, so it doesn't update. Let me open it on Twitch. Okay, so for me it does update. Yeah, it does for me update. Huh? After refresh word. I mean, I heard that Twitch is breaking down, but still. Okay, so where's the bank of a bull? Says on Twitch recently. Yeah, Twitch has some problems recently. Pause and play. Bang boom. It's not. It's not. Okay, it's so hard to read. Not of bull to bull. I mean, I guess that's another type class. It's okay, boolean not. Source code. Yeah, easy enough. Native TLS versus Rustals. Not is a new type. Not is a new type class. What? Bool is a new type. Bool is not a new type class. Yeah, I said that not is a. I mean, the bang character is part of a type class. I guess. Maybe no. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Okay, we can close that. Yeah, that's a long page. Ad breaks coming. Yeah. Twitch TD, are you gonna leave for this one again? Okay, read deriving. Yeah. We can derive instances for the OR type class, which is for types that have values that can be ordered. Compared to a same type as we might value. But before I leave for a break from an ad break, take a look at queer types composts. Google towards a better Google has a CLI. What? Guides. Command line routine. First. Okay. Kinda old. So sure to work, but still. The situation within that school. Okay. Installing the Google. Cable sandbox in it. Ad breaks coming. Please Google. Long step compiles a lot of packages. See, like 10 minutes. See, databases. Google and GC search for better Haskell experience. GHCI. I mean, and then bring together GHCI and Google. The end result will have special commands in GHCI so we can interact with Google without leaving the REPL. Google head. Yeah, I normally want search. I mean, not search like source code. It has started. Oh, I mean, that's pretty simple. It's probably not gonna do that. You can just Google stuff. Okay, yeah, we have to read a lot more. I'm not tired. Where's all my energy? This person, yeah. You can also read parameterized types. Can't do read just T maybe. Oh yeah, because static typing. Values constructor. Yeah. Maybe for the just value constructor. In the maybe A data type. Was just that something is -1 beyond trillion. Okay, makes sense. Just asterisk 3. What is asterisk 3? Is this multiply by 3? And the enum and bounded type class help us with it. What is an enum type class? And the add is done. Yeah, I'll repeat my questions. First of all, is this multiplied by 3? Is this a function that that multiplies stuff by 3? Like a partial application. And then also what did I want to ask? Yeah, enums, following data type. Make it part of enum type class. Enum type class is for things that have predecessors and successors. You can also make it part of the bounded type class, which is for the things that have lowest possible value and the highest possible value. And while we're at it, let's also make it an instance of all the other derivable type classes. Let's see what we can do with it. Because type of show and read, we can convert values to and from strings. because part of queue and ord, we can compare or quit these. Some part of bounds, we can get the lowest and the highest day. It's also necessary now, we can get precision successors of days and we can make list ranges for all of them. Type synonyms. Oh yeah, that's pretty simple. First represent the phone book with an association list before converting it into a map. As we've already found out, an association list is a list of key value pairs. Yeah, we can set the type of phone book. That's an overkill. When they want to convey more information about what strings in their functions should be used as and what they what. So like actually are advised to define string type aliases, or what is it called, synonyms. Synonyms function would have a type of this. They'll also be parameterized, obviously. In an association list, type of a king. What? Key associated list or association list. Maybe V. Structure takes to EM. On this is A. When I talk about concrete types, I mean like fully applied types, like map int string, or if we're dealing with one of the polymorphic functions, A or ord A, maybe A and stuff, and like sometimes me and the boys say that maybe is a type, but we don't mean that, because every idiot knows maybe is a type constructor. When I apply an extra type, when I apply an extra type to maybe, like maybe string, then I have a concrete type. You know, values can only have types that are concrete types. So in conclusion, live fast, laugh hard, and don't let anybody else use your compot. What did I just read? I mean, sure. Just like we can partially apply a function to get new functions, we can partially apply type parameters and get new type parameters, and get new type constructors from them. It's really hard for me to read this. Kind of function with too few parameters to get back a new function. We can specify a type constructor with too few parameters and get back a partially applied type constructor. And a type constructor that represents a map from integers to something. We can either do this, or we could do it like that. Sure. Type as it takes, so types as parameters is either AB type. Back, welcome back. Left is used. Yes, if right is used. Then we can get back value of type either AB. We usually pattern match both left and right. And with different stuff. And we differ. What? The pattern match on both left and right. And we different stuff based on. Yes, do different stuff based on which one of them it was. Patience. What's Haskell-ifying? I wanna try making a game of Pong and then go back to writing a blog post, if I can call it so. Because this is a side quest of a side quest. Yeah, we're doing a side quest of a side quest. But yeah, I wanna write Pong in Haskell. I don't know if I can do this because I still need to think like a Haskell developer. So I need to take immutability into account because I can't really. I mean, programming in Rust, I am used to creating a lot of variables that shadow other variables, but still, it's hard to do immutable programming. Or is it? I don't know. With a normal cup in the map, get nothing, we return value of type left. Since the locker doesn't exist at all, if we find it, then we do an additional check to see if the locker is taken. If it is, return the left saying game loops. Yeah, I've used SFML and Raylib, and I didn't try SDL really, but I liked Raylib. I mean, I normally make games with libraries. I've used Godot for one single game out of all games I made. Well, excluding like the demo breakout game I made in Godot to learn Godot. And obviously excluding my overlay because it's not really a game. Okay, it's hard for me. it's getting hard for me to read this and understand this. Cursive data structures. Since a constructor in an algebraic data type can have. I mean, obviously there should be a really implementation for Haskell, or I mean port for Haskell. Like there is a really port for every language I have ever seen, except Cast. Yeah, obviously there are really bindings for Haskell. I mean, if we go to raylib.com, you can see languages in here, and if we go to more, there are a lot. I mean, good idea. Yeah, so there's Haskell, and also I like LDTK. I wonder if there are LDTK bindings for Haskell. I don't think so. LDTK importers. I feel like yes, there is. Haskell types and ISON instances for parsing LDTK JSON files. I mean, go to official LDTK page. Package is Haskell's package repo. Wow. Search there for any package. I mean, I don't really know the name. It might be HDTK. Well, it probably searches description, but I mean, we just go to LDTK page. Obviously, I don't need LDTK for Pong. I kind of want to know how, what experience it's gonna give me, or at least look at the piece of code. Entities JSON spec HS. Tested, not yet implemented. How was I supposed to see how it's so the key types for the key and href for lib. It's pretty obvious, yeah. So you suggest me just creating relib. How do we quit? Oh, colon Q. What? Okay, like new. Let's try, I guess. I don't know how to start, honestly. Yeah, we're gonna use Helix for a few. For a few streams. Okay, so I need GCH, I guess. Or hold on, it's called GC. I'm just using the GC being garbage collector. Haskell get started. Okay, sure. Note, I'm on Nix, which may make things a little more complex. What is this? Oh yeah, I read that. Haskell 5.1 dev, that's pretty good. Okay, so Haskell stack. What is FP complete? What does FP stand for? I mean, FP complete is a company, I guess. It's a strong lazy type. Download Haskell stack. My operating system is Linux, but really, but it's not really gonna work for Linux. Run the following in your turn. No, I'm not gonna do that. Sorry. I can search for it on Nix packages, because this is just not gonna work. Haskell stack. Yeah, there is Haskell tool stack. The Haskell tool stack. Is this it? You can look at the homepage, which is hack package Haskell org packages package stack. I guess no. Just stack. Okay, let's try a stack. ZSH. I can type. Okay, so can I do stack init instead? Should probably do like, okay, let me do stack new pong. If it ain't pong, it's wrong. That's a quote from some wise developer. This pass will be fetched. Okay, sure. Now I wanna exit probably. I wanna move lake into pong. Pong. Okay, so what's that? Cable. Set up HS and stuff. Okay, I can do stack run. Run the following in a terminal. Stack run, so this should still work. Haskell custom snapshot version, because it's Nix. Compiling main, compiling stack setup scheme, configuring Pong. Wow, why so much output? Some funk. Distributions. What? What is that? App. Let's see. App has main HS. Okay, I guess that's where I should start. SRC has libhs. What? Okay, so do I remove SRC altogether, or should I write some code in SRC? Okay, so libhs has some funk. Should I delete libhs? Yeah, should I delete lib and SRC altogether? Package YAML, what's that? So we have set up HS, main default main. Okay, guess I can remove SRC. Should have probably trashed it instead, but I mean, I guess. So main is gonna be do put strln test. Can remove lib. So we have imports. Module main, where main is IO main equals. Yes. Oh, I need mix development here as well. Is there Haskell LSP? Helix Haskell LSP. I guess there is, but it's not configured properly or something. Cable. Why the language is cable? Okay, so the language is Haskell. Do I have to install this separately? I don't know. Do I have to install it separately? Oh wait, overlay crashed. Didn't even notice it. Yes, use stack, just add code to lib. I already removed the lib. Sorry. Cause I mean, I'm making an app, so I guess it makes sense to put stuff into app. Or is it just like entry point? Specified source there, SRC doesn't exist. Yeah, but I have SRC. Okay, so we have set up HS, Lake. Usually you separate apps from their logic. I don't. I don't normally do that, but I guess I should. Okay, so we have stack YAML, and Pong cable. No, it's not a single Haskell file. Okay, so I guess let's mk their src back. But I don't wait. Short and relatively simple. Are you sure? Breakout took me 10. What? 3 hours. 3 hours to make in Godot or something like that. To so long test. Okay. Let's just remove that, and let's just. So we also have test. What happens if I remove test? Okay, this time properly remove it. It's gonna show me any errors. Obviously it is. Okay, so where's the cable file? Cable, whatever. Extra source files. Those are not source files. So there isn't even a changelog. Excuse me. There's no changelog, no. Oh wait, there is changelog. Oh my god. Okay, so for sure I don't need changelog. Okay, so remove the changelog from here. Tab git. Oh my god. I mean, I can't feel it in here. Modules, just source directories, src, build dependencies, base, executable, test suite. I'm not gonna add a test suite. Sorry, that's not for me. Okay, so I guess let's start with adding Raylib. Usually BS, no matter the language. This is not basic. If you mean basic by BS. Also, I wanted to remove some stuff. Okay, so read me. Oh my god. It even created a license for me. Why? Copyright author name here. Oh my god. This is the custom license. Oh. Okay. No, cargo init is good. Cargo new is good. Rust's templates templates are good. I don't know any other language, honestly. Okay, so it created a license. I'm gonna remove license. I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna remove SRC. I don't care even. Do I need stack work? I guess I do, but SQLite database. Excuse me. Do we need a setup HS? I guess I do. Okay, so let me open cable file. Homepage. Okay, that's I probably don't need it. I mean, the goods they provide manifest. Of readme. I mean, okay, sure. I'm not even gonna push it probably to GitHub. 4-digit version. What? Can I just remove all of that? Build type simple. It's not simple. Okay, so yeah, I can remove all of that except build type, I guess. Can remove that. I can remove that, I guess. Library, won't need that. Executable, which is build dependencies, Pong. Nope. We don't have Pong in here. GHC options, HS source stars. Let's change this to SRC. I mean, kinda wanna do that. No, it's not really like, I guess, Haskell-y. Main HS. Okay, so other modules. Auto-gen modules. Okay, so we also have a stack.yaml file. Whatever this is. Oh, automatically generated by stack-init. Yeah. Snapshots, packages. I guess I don't really need to worry about it. So now, how do I add a package to this? And do I need to add this for a language server? Like, I guess I do. Oh. Ooh. Can you please format? I mean, I guess I can't. You can't. Mix develop. There's CZSH. I mean, it should just work theoretically, because Helix has LSPs built in, and I'm just installing the LSP. But at the same time, Helix uses a wrapper, which I don't know what it is. And I'm downloading 4 gigabytes of Haskell LSP. What? Excuse me. Why is Haskell LSP 4 gigabytes? Oh my god. I can feel my hard drive screaming at me. A little bit more. Why is it 424 and not 124? This would be 2 to the power of 10 or 486. Wait, 496. GHC up. Maybe. I mean, I'm using mix and stack. It's stuck at 422.5. Okay, it did work. It did work actually. SRC main HS. That doesn't really. LSP. Workspace command. So there's like LSP logs. Log open. Helix LSP transport, content modified. Where is this? Okay, it's Haskell language server. Error. Consulting the, oh my god. Phone path. Cable not found. Cable is not found. Okay. So start of no high YAML phone. Try to discover a project type. This project type run entered for Haskell server wrapper version 2.9.2.0. Can we scroll this? Run entered for, yeah, current directory pong argument operating system Linux arguments LSP cradle directory cradle type stack, till versions found on the path, cable not found, consulting the cradle to get projects reach CAO version. Oh my god. Project reach version is set. Haskell language server executable candidates 966 and language server launching silence. So it did launch. What? Does it work? How do I quickly check? I mean, I guess it doesn't. Should be like doing a suggestion, I guess. Switched. Okay, I don't know. I guess we're continuing without it. Yeah, so quickly edit flake. I guess I don't even need this with stack. Okay, so now let's get relip. Next steps: how to play, how to script, how to build, how do I add a package? It's dependency in the cable file. Should work out of the box. Okay, let's add. Wait, did cable file just regenerate? What? Hold on, what? Or did I? What? Excuse me, I changed this. It wasn't that. Also, why? Why is the comma in here? I like actually. This just kills me. RC. Did it regenerate all the garbage? No, it didn't. Maybe I just didn't save it, I guess. Executable pool. Can I just say pool in here? I don't think I can. Why do I have Haskell language server in here? Really. Okay, default language. Obviously no test suite. And also no. So I need, what is it? 7xd. From package YAML. Hold on, there is package YAML, there is no package YAML. Oh wait, there is package YAML. Oh my god. GitHub license. Oh, so there is a license. Okay, that's much nicer actually. I'm still gonna remove everything in here. Dependencies base. H. Okay, why is space p pasted after the? Okay, so what actually I don't like about Helix? Here cursor is on the new line, and if I type paste or type whatever else, see, it just messes all up, messes everything up. I don't know how to implement it better. Any better way to implement it? Okay, so library. No library. Executables. Home. Main HS, source src. Options, sure, dependencies, nope. I'm gonna add h. H-ray lib. Okay, test. No tests. Okay, now I mv app src. Okay, stack run. Let's see if it builds. Oh wait, I also need to set up a relib on NixOS, which I don't like. Yeah. X11, Xrunner, XI cursor, Xcursor, and XInerma, or whatever. Okay, I think we can create a flake ourselves. Okay, let's create a libs. Make this recursive. Which is a list with packages. Let's put in everything like that. I think it's xorg x11. Let me look up. X11 xorg dot. Okay, so it's oh, it's xlib, I think. Okay, so let's do xorg xlib x. Oh, no commas, obviously. Xorg xrender xi. Oh, I think it's also capitalized. Xrand r xorg xi comma. Are you sure you can know when my environment is set? Oh my god, why is this taking so long? Xorg Xcursor and Xinierama. Xorg Xinierama, whatever. No, Nix is simple. It's just Raylib. Raylib is not really packaged in Nix, that's the problem. Okay, so there's an error. But my version is in the stack configuration. Version is this. Okay, let's go to package YAML. Depends. Okay, so I can have greater than or equal to. Wait. 5 and less than 6. Yes. Okay, let's see. Xrender xorg.xrend lib xlib first of all. Lib x11, is it? Okay, so it is lib x11 actually. Lib x11. What is it erroring about? Undefined name. Oh, we speak. Oh wait, I need to put a semicolon here. Oh my god, damn. Then we have xrender xi render Yeah, pretty simple. So I need to add lib in here. Oh, lib. Xi, same thing. Then we have X cursor and X innerama. We need to get good impression of Nix. It's so important. Maybe we can make more people use Nix. Okay, so add libs in here, and also I need to do shell hook. That's just my way of doing it. And let's see if I remember. Export LD library path. I need to clear my laptop's keyboard. Okay. Call LD library path. Okay, so let's add just lib. Okay, oh wait, it's make. Okay, so it is actually in here, libs. I think that's how clear mix develop relating derivation is gonna work. Is it gonna work first try? Can we get Nix first try? Okay, so at least it compiles. Echo LD library path. This seems right. Okay, now stack run. It should also fetch relibs version 5 something. Okay. Now give me an example. How do I start with relib in Haskell? Okay, so it is still in readme. I should relib version. Stack configuration, latest matching version. What do you mean no version in stack configuration? I have package.yaml. I have this. Nope. 5.5. Okay. Or do I need to also specify this in here? Wait, do I even need to specify this in here? I don't know. So there's stack YAML. Oh wait. Stack. I didn't even. I forgot about that. Oh my god. How do I add packages to this thing? Haskell stack and package. I feel like there's a subcommand. Stack. Oh my god, really? Okay, who's that? Can I undo? Okay, can't really. I can remove this though. Is it gonna stack run? It should just stack run, and I should be able to do stack install or stack add. Each relib. Okay, trans stack install h relib. I guess it should just modify stack YAML. It just removes that. Snapshots, flex, extra depths. Okay, let's actually do that and not even touch it. I think. Okay, so it progress. It does something. I don't know what it does. I guess it compiles stuff or it just fetches it. I don't know. Configure. Okay, let's see if we can get really compiled. And I wonder if we can get it running, which is the hardest part. New type ticked, some warnings, I guess. That's fine, we don't care. Okay, so this is not nice to me. This output thing prints too much stuff. By default, at least. Okay, I can feel how my laptop is is getting slower. And I hope I won't be skipping so much frames. Let's do this. So I play for right. If anyone in chat wants to join me, hey, no, that's unfair. I'm gonna be stealing your plushes. If anyone in chat wants to join me, with so much lags because Haskell is building. Oh, freedom, freedom's mine. Oh my god, lags. Oh, yes, so much lag. Okay, I'm not gonna steal your bash. Yeah, this is slow. Yeah. Hey, that's unfair. You just stole my. Hey, stop cheating. You're just cheating. It automatically cheats for you. See? Chat has. Hey, that's real. What? That's like actually too many plushes going here. And you couldn't even get one. And you're like half of my score. That's like at first yeah, it disappeared already. Oh. Oh. 5 and something. How is it going? Let's do another one. I feel like 60 seconds is not enough. I should probably add some more. It forced right into the wall. I should probably change time to something better. Okay, so switch to that. So you can put it into the wall. Let's do 120. Let's restart. Let me restart. And we'll do another one while this is building. Okay. Stuff. Can you not highlight? Can move this in here, and I guess it loaded. I can do this. Okay, now that's better. Okay. Okay, come on. You have time. You can have some plushies. Come on. Okay. Come on. 2 minutes. 2 minutes for a match. Yes, that's my building screen. DaVinci Resolve, come on again. Go away. Okay, I need to be careful because if I throw myself in the basket, I'm gonna disappear. And you know that. Which is actually something interesting I should make you be able to do. Okay, no, I'm not giving you this for free. Ooh, this was cheating. Instead of you cheating, I cheated. But I'm sure. Hi. Synculum. You can create your own plushie with Bank Plushie and try to compete with me. Stealing plushies from you. This is actually kind of hard. Hey, what? This is like actually kind of hard. This one is tiny. I need to be careful. Okay, now. Okay. 15 seconds left. Okay, fine, I'll give you one. And I get one for free, and I get two for free. It's just, hey, what is this? What's up with this randomness? Okay, we can get one more, please. Yay. Yes, I am also flashing. I wanna do video. At some point I will need to get a webcam. I wanna try making video soft. And yeah, if I toss myself into a basket, I'm gonna disappear. Just know that, especially when you complete a goal, a community challenge, which is at the bottom right, and we were building Haskell. Come on, this takes so much time. Anyone? Anyone? Let's shove a camel while Haskell is building. Score C++. Yeah. Laps. X6, 64. You're just lucky. Okay, so yours is, I don't actually know which one is yours in here. Yeah, I think yours is one that's on the left because it was later. So you can still control it using heat extension. You can click on the screen if you go to, if you allow it, or there is also add force and move to. You can figure out how they work. I guess. Come on. Your plushie despawned. You can't control it anymore. Maybe I should make them last longer. I can't get myself into it. Okay, finally. Hey, I'm stealing one from you. 40 seconds left. How much can I get? Okay, fine, I'll give this one to you. Java second time, nope. It's gonna be mine. Hey. Okay, come on, stop stealing flashes from me. Those are mine, technically. Yeah, funny thing is that I can control all plushes, even ones that are yours. So I can steal them. And you can't steal mine. Ooh, move to 2020. No, it's from 0 to 1. And I couldn't get it. 15. Okay, 15 in 2 minutes. It's pretty good. So yeah, the screen is constrained from 0 to 1. And if I lift myself up... Oh, 0.1, 0.1. Yes, that's just like if you click at this point. Okay, how long does it take to build Haskell packages? 41 out of 43. Note, don't add this time. We're not fixing Nix this time. We're just waiting for Haskell to build. This takes like forever. But at least it doesn't take CPU. Okay, let's do one back. I guess no one is gonna... Or actually, let's do 2. Let's do a competition. If anyone in chat wanna join me. With this much latency. Okay, so yours is infinite coder, I think. Yeah, it is. He goes this hey. What? Okay, you're actually good at it. That's hard. Wow, I can't get mine. Come on, I can't get mine. I can steal. I can steal plushes from you. By the way. Come on. Godot is mine. Or which one is mine? I think Godot is mine. It does work if you... Okay, so let me see. Are you clicking on it? Okay, which one is yours? I guess Nix is yours. So I take OBS. Okay, so... Twitch... Wait, yeah. Twitch TD. I mean, I can see you here. I don't know why. I don't know why it didn't work. Come on. Why I can't get it to move? So I actually don't know why it doesn't work. You can try add force and move to. I mean they despawn because time limit. They only last like 30 seconds. Yeah, by thinking Synculum. Haskell is building. Oh wait, it did build. Oh wait, it did not build. Google. It exits the bounds of the screen. Oh no. I think I have I have world bounds. Okay, so that didn't compile. This took so much, so long. HH really. Okay, makes sense probably. Stack failed to execute the build plan. Okay, so this is what. This is not Nick's problem. Missing dependencies from foreign libraries. Oh, missing foreign lib. Okay, so I need to add those libraries to my flake. I think I did know. Oh wait, I need the dev versions of the libraries. Okay, so also I need a GL library. Okay, so first of all I need a GL library. Second of all, I don't know how to do for loops in Nix. libgl, I think it is. I can just search in here libgl. Yep. Now I need dev versions of those libraries. Nix for each. Because I don't want to specify them on manually. I want to map them. Oh, best viewers. Sorry, you're not gonna get there. Okay. Nixus Wiki Nix example recursion. I don't wanna write it manually. There should be a map function or something. Map. Concat map. Okay, so there's map function list. I can just do map. So plus plus map. How do you make a function in Nix? Lib. I don't remember. I think it was something like that. Lib.def. Okay, actually I should probably check. Nix REPL. Okay. Oh wait, it's not xorg, it's just libgl. Now. Nix. Okay, let me try 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3. Map x plus 1. Okay, so it works, yeah. I don't really need and that break is coming. Okay, so yes, this should just work now. Since I fixed libgl, because I for some reason put libgl in xorg. Now tech install. Did I run install? I think yeah, install is the right one. Configure hrelib. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Because configuring relib with Nix was a pain every time I did this. Because it just doesn't have setup stuff. Or actually does have setup stuff, but stuff builds it from source for some reason. Okay, so it doesn't see those libraries. Missing or bad C libraries. How are you detecting those libraries? I don't even have package config installed and stuff. Installed, but in another standard location you can use the flex extra include directories and extra lib directories. Okay, yeah. Can I just actually hold on? Can I do it the simple way? Instead of configuring all the stuff, Yeah, I guess I can. Yeah, it's all pre-configured for me. So instead of cheating, should be blaster. Oh, there is a flake.nixon here. I probably can. I mean, I can just wait. I can just take it from official Nix packages repo. Oh my god, I can't paste in Helix. Just yes, so it should have everything in it. I don't even need a shell hook. Okay, and I don't even need a rec for that. Okay, let's try again. Nix develop. This was much simpler. Ads are playing. Package hrelib in is marked as broken, refusing to evaluate. Oh my god, it's a broken package. Okay, let's see. Relib blobmaster flake.nix. Okay, so there's flake.nix in the repository. Can I just run this flake? Packages for system, dev shells. I think I can even just run this flake, honestly. But nah, when AFK. Okay, so we can just add this thing. h-relib URL. Wait, like that. So obviously it's not like that. Relib, okay. And I should just be able to relib, should just be able to import it in here. I think I need to import h-relib inherit system. Oh wait, I don't need a semicolon here. Okay. Now it should work. With the hrelib which is in the repository. Okay, nope. Nope, it doesn't. Oh my god, what is it? I need to specify some stuff in here. Supported systems. How do I use this thing? Dev shells, packages for all system packages, base input packages, Xorg packages, Haskell packages, system plans, import default.nix. How do I use the flake? Nix. Okay, so there is no docs on using Nix, unfortunately. Okay, so default.nix. Make derivation. Okay, so this is a package. It's a library. Configuration flags. Library Haskell depends. The add is done. Yay. License. Okay, so it's missing lib. Can I just... What does it want? Inherit packages? Maybe I need inherit packages. I don't even know what it wants. I don't really know how to import flakes yet. I didn't do it much. X packages, lurk dinner. Have a nice lurk. Call without required argument lib. Okay, can't really do that. Lib equals packages lib. Okay, now. Will you be fine? Oh, wait, I need a semicolon here. Okay. Requirement space. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Let's just put packages in here. Do we really need to import it? Even. Oh wait, what? Or actually, I think I can do something like outputs, not outputs. I don't know. Honestly. Mix flake and package. Okay, so that's dev box. I don't even know what it is. Okay, let's say flake package to system config. Shouldn't be really different. And print hash. Yeah. Modules. Oh my god, what? Nix lib. Oh, default package system. So I can just do default package dot system. Should just be able to do this. And it's gonna work. Hopefully it is. Nope, it doesn't. Default package missing. I think it's just default. Package is default. I don't know how to use it. Packages, something default, I guess. Default. If this works, it will make sense, honestly, because that's how it's declared in here. But I feel like not really. Well, I hope it will work. What is this character? Oh, it's an arrow up. I have a dot on my screen. In this place. Okay, it's downloading something. Building needs it shouldn't take much time. Building, yeah, we're building something. Okay, while it's building, I guess we can do another one. That's unfair. See how far I can get. Hey, you're stealing stuff from me. I could have just put it in. Oh, that's so hard. Okay. Nix is pretty light. It's a flake. Kuka. A great language, by the way. Is this thing again? I don't even know. I don't even remember what it's called. It's so heavy. Doesn't really work. Okay, we can get it out. Discord. Obviously have to get some problems with it. Hey. I don't like when it gets stuck. Ooh. Legs means Nix is building. Wow. It's impossible to play that means Nix is building. You can feel how it builds. Okay, I can't get it. Come on. 13. Nix is so heavy. Let's do another one. Game maker. By Nix is heavy, I mean building Nix is actually heavy. Real. Hey. Okay. Oh, this was kinda unfair. Oh, okay, we're going pretty good. Yeah. Oh my god. Just as I said that, the thing got stuck. So hard. This is heavy. Okay, this is already a record for me. A new record. Oh no. Come on. I hate when this happens. I really hate when this happens. It gets stuck and I can't really get it out. Okay, this was cheating, but sure. I can't get to 20. This DirectX is too heavy. Can I even get to 19? No. It's too heavy. Yeah. DirectX is so heavy. As a flashy. And this build. Yeah. At least it built. Already a good sign. Okay, let's do stack install first. Should now install. I mean, I can have Haskell environment configured by Nix, and obviously it doesn't. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay, I can do a good old hack. Inputs from cheat viewers again. Oh my god, so many of them. I hope I clicked on reject. Yeah, I clicked on reject because it doesn't show up here. Okay, so this shouldn't take much time because it's already built. Okay, now the thing should actually build. Because now I have every dependency pulled from it. Unless like custom config. Oh my god, no. Why? Why am I even doing this? Haskell mix. There are support for stack projects. Getting started with flakes. Yeah, I could just do this, honestly. Okay, hello exe. Yeah, I probably should have just used mix. Because Haskell packages, Let's see if it works. So need the flake instead, like that. Keep refusing to overwrite file. Flake nix with this thing flake.nix wrote hello cable. Okay, so this should update. Can I reload? Okay, I can. Okay. Notice. Also merge it with this. Now. How do I use this? Okay, let me just put this into multiple lines properly. Okay, let's hrelib. Let's take this. Let's say, oops. Say this is hrelib. With GitHub colon no, look, I've just used can I just change this to each default system? I've just used Haskell Nix setup default system, or at least I'm trying. Haven't used it yet. Nix config, extra substitutes. Okay, I guess I can just actually let me just use this. So I added Haskell hrelib in here. Unused binding, yeah. Back to this. So now, or I don't think I even need this, honestly. if I go to hello cable, is this a file that was written? Yeah, wrote hello cable, and we hello cable to honk cable. Okay, let's remove dot git ignore stack work license package YAML stack asterisk, which leaves us with flake ponk cable setup HS and src. Okay, so ponk cable, yep. Yeah, I think that's what I need to do, is to add packages to this thing. Build dependencies. How do I specify run dependency? Let's read the docs. Working as a project. Nix develop dot. To one shell for use with stack. Nope. Hicks. Tools provides a way to add Haskell export existing. Nope, I don't need that. Creating development environment. How to get a dev shell. I mean, I have flakes. Just compiling. How do I add dependencies? Get started with flakes. Okay, so I have a flake. I can just run it or develop it. Oh, and by the way, I should probably. Yeah, hold on. This wasn't executable Pong. Root hello cable. Okay, let me rmrf asterisk. Yes, exit xa nix init flake init. Let me just re-init it. Now let me go to first mv hello cable pong cable. Okay, then I have. So see, this is a reasonable. Hello HS src pong HS. This is a reasonable thingy. What is it called? A reasonable template, reasonable base. Okay, so let's go to Pong cable. I probably don't need this still. Hey, copyright. I know. Nope. Cable portion. I don't care. Don't really care. Yeah. No highlighting yet. Or, no description. I don't need that. Header. Executable Pong. Main Pong. Build depends. Okay. Now. Mix develop. Settings. Yes, I want to allow this. Yes, I want to make it trusted. Yes, I want to make it. Yeah, I want to allow this cache source. I don't even know what this cache source is, honestly. I just don't care. This input flake utils BC. They just. Oh wait. Huh? Hold on, what? Oops. BC Bing. Bad flake. Okay, yes, so this is the default one. Haskell nix flake.nix flake. What? Why is it not working? How can you provide a template that doesn't work? Nix run. I should be able to just do this. Okay, I actually don't get it. False non-existent import. Oh wait, is it because I need to? Okay, so this is not a Git repo, which is kinda good. I'm not a trusty. Excuse me. Well, basic look file on Flake. Input Flake uses false non-existent input. Okay, what? Okay, so I don't have Flake block, or do I? Yeah, I don't. Huh? What's wrong? False non-existent input Haskell mix of Flake utils. What do you mean? It is literally here. Oh wait, maybe it's not Flake utils anymore. Input output HK. Input output HK. What is this? Who is this? Wait, it's Haskell.nix. Okay, so what is that? Why do you have? Why do you not have like utils? Like 10 different versions of Linux packages. I mean, I can just do URL. I'm tight. I'm probably not gonna be streaming tomorrow, actually. My next stream is probably gonna be like Tuesday. Wait, Thursday. Maybe actually even Tuesday, but probably Thursday. So one of those days, either Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. I don't yet have my new schedule. I should probably remove my current schedule to change it later. Anyway, yeah, have a nice day, night, I don't know. And this should work actually. Works too. Even better. Yeah. So right now I actually should. Yeah, bye. I actually should probably even. So yeah, I can start updating schedule on stream, or at least removing where I'm probably not gonna stream. I don't want to set a vacation mode. Channel, because I'm not on a vacation. I just don't know the schedule. I only know one day for sure, and I don't even know when. So I would estimate 4:30 or 5 p.m. Schedule. Edit schedule. Okay, vacation mode, nope. Okay, so here. Let's start at 5 p.m. this time. And stream for, well, not up to 10 p.m. Okay, let's say for 4 hours. Save changes. And then... What? Upcoming events. What? Why is it so... What? Delete schedule. I'll keep my schedule. Okay, so I want to delete all of it except for... Why is it so wrong? Mixes building, mixes building. Okay, that's better. Thursday 5 to 9. Okay, this will probably remain about the same. Well, those two. Oh, freedom is life. Freedom is life! Yay! We have someone to raid, which we will probably do it soon. Okay, so right, gonna remove those streams right now. It just doesn't work. Twitch! What's happening with Twitch? Twitch is just dying. Twitch is just broken. Sunday, Monday, remove. Oh my god, why do I have 4 Mondays in here? Twitch is just cooked. I don't know what to say. Tuesday. Okay, so I'm gonna remove those for time being. For the time being. Okay. Wednesday. Remove. I'm gonna re-add them if I will stream those days. But this is like pretty much it for 8 hours up to, well, for 7. Two, actually I can do 1 p.m. for 8 hours. Whole day of coding. Okay, let's change this as well. 5 to 9, 1 to 9. Wait, what? 5 to 9? Oh wait, yeah. 1 to 10. Sunday. Let's change this to 1 to for 8 hours to 9, because no, 10 is a little too late. And yeah, for Friday I should probably give another name, because those names are boring. Not for Friday, for Thursday. Probably some whatever. Whatever I mean whatever I decide to do on stream. Okay, so this is about the schedule for now. September, by the way, celebrate. Okay, whatever. I knew this like a year ago. Yeah, the stream schedule is just... Why is the stream so late? Yeah, I streamed here and ended early. Why is this stream so late? Oh, I think there was a stream in here which I deleted. That's why. Yeah, I'm not really holding on to my schedule. Okay, so this is building. This takes a while to build. What are you building? Oh my god, you're gonna build every single version of GHC. Come on. It takes so much time. Oh, camel, see, a nice guy. Just straight into the basket. I could just pull it in from the side or whatever. Not enough space. Bounce. Nope. Nope. No. Oh, there was a leg. Another leg. Come on. Zed. Why are you lagging? Okay, finally. Finally. Come on, get in. Okay, 3-seater. Should be just easy. For turn. Yeah. Okay, man. This one is light. Very light for some reason. I don't know why. It's so light. Really, yay. Oh, I can also bounce splashes from myself. Yeah, I discovered it at some point. Finch. Come in. Okay, hits this, obviously. And obviously it fell off and didn't even trigger. And A-Sprite, which is super nice, but I couldn't get it in time. Oh no. Okay. So, and oh my god, doesn't provide attributes. Pong exe. I guess it's just Pong or something. Okay, let's go to the middle. And here, yeah, don't really say anything. Warning, this is out of date. Consider upgrading to 9 to 8. Doesn't provide attributes. Like packages. Attributes Pong missing. No, okay, no. There's no Pong. Why? No idea. BP. Legacy packages. Packages, import Nix packages, inherit system overlays. Oh my god, Haskell Nix project here. It parses cable file, right? Right. So why you can't find the Pong executable? So do I have to do Pong exe for this to work? And so then I can say Pong exe Pong. Am I right? What else do we have here? Setup HS. Yeah, nothing. This. Yeah, I think also nothing. Choose muscle, by the way. And then nothing much more. Mix run. Okay, come on. Just want you to build. Attributes missing. Come on. Why? Why is it so hard? Okay, getting started with flakes, that's what I did. So I didn't need and yeah, and it doesn't work. Okay. Let's RF everything again. Then let's do nix init, flake init. Let's reinit it, nix develop. Yeah, it just doesn't work. We'll figure it out somehow later. Yeah, for now it's time to rate, and I guess there isn't much options, except if someone's doing compiler development or Haskell. Wow. Design SSG, remarch, new SDL GPU3 API dropped. Why do you have compiler tag? First 3D, wow, what? Remarch, something familiar, actually. And Haskell's already one. Okay, I actually wanna know who this is. I mean, I saw Remarch in chats. And SDL3 APIs. For some reason having compiler tag. Do that. First 3D. What IDE is that? Okay, so they do have microphone. I can hear that by key presses. Okay, what are you doing? Rust? Obviously. Without Rust tag? What? Oh. Why are you doing SDL3 in Rust? I mean, sure. IR. Intermediate representation. What? I mean, IR, I guess, is not really intermediate representation. What are you doing, dude? Are you making a compiler for shaders? Anyway, I guess that's not someone to rate. Oh. Clip. Why did I clip it? Okay, I guess we're reading. Reading. And why not read freedom? Get our streak of rates up a little. 10 times in the last 30 days. Yeah. Welcome back.
Into stages.
You're exactly you're back at exactly the right time.
We have the companion.
Well,
here's its script.
I mean,
We have the companion
at least you
arm.
didn't see the pain.
Here's its script. So what the companion arm does is it checks. Oh wait, let's do as. Ooh.
Should probably actually
matter, but
open it separately. Because it will take a while to load. Just
checks
so I
to
can
see
see
if
the
the arm is
chart.
actually placed or not.
Let's check his
If
reaction.
it's not, then we go to arm extend, where we get the player's mouse position, or our mouse position, or your finger, whatever it is.
Great.
Don't type smarter, type louder.
Okay. Come
We
on.
get our look position.
Just
So that's just
load.
the mouse again. And then we get the distance to the mouse. And then
Okay.
we are changing
Yeah.
the spring
I
length.
guess we're reading.
And we're clamping
Bye,
it to
everyone.
a specific distance
Another
of
time, I'll
the,
try to fix the
play ranger stats
Haskell
attack range value
environment.
times negative
Goodbye.
of the way it extends out.
Goodbye, YouTube.
Something like that.
And Twitch what fears.